I've got a girl that I have been so excited about coming into my kitchen with me.
Her name is Melanie Hudsell.
She's got 2 kids, and I'm gonna show her some recipes that I think her children would love.
And I'm gonna start with mini burgers wrapped in puff pastry.
So I'm gonna go ahead and flour out my sheet of puff pastry. You just wanna sit this out on your counter and let it thaw a minute so you can unfold it. Now I'm gonna expand it about 2 inches on the long and the short side. Okay. Now I'm gonna need 8 little wraps for our burgers. So I'm gonna come in here and cut this right down the middle. Then I'm gonna cut that in half, and this half in half, and then I'm gonna cut it down the center, giving us 8 little buns. All right, now I'm gonna come down here and take just 8 ounces of hamburger. You know, I don't know when I've used just 8 ounces of burger for anything except maybe that last burger I cooked for myself that I ate by myself. So, I mean, this a little bit of burger will go a long way. Now I'm gonna just put a little salt, a little pepper, 2 teaspoons of ketchup,
and 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard.
and then I'm gonna divide this into 8 little mini patties. So I'm just gonna press that out. Because these are so tiny, it probably won't take a minute and a half. And then they're gonna have their 15 to 18 minutes in the oven once we get them in the puff pastry. All right, so I want Oh my God, she scared me to death.
Oh my gracious! How are you?
Look at the chill bumps on me. Do I sound like that?
I'm so excited!
Oh my
Are
God.
you excited? Oh my lands!
Who are
I can't
you?
believe it. Could you? I'm you. Do you like me?
You are so
I like
pretty.
you. Oh, thank you.
Oh my God!
Oh,
you
my Lord.
scared me so bad. Did
Are we gonna do some cooking?
do I cackle like that? Oh my God! I'd
What are you
say that's a
talking about?
yes. Chill bump.
What are we making? What we gonna do today?
Oh damn!
I'm
if I
ready to
know.
Are you ready to cook?
Y'all, this is Melanie Hudsell from Saturday Night Live, or is it Paula Deen?
No, it's Paula. I'm Paula. Let's come on in here. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna let those sit and we're gonna flip them over. Yeah! Look at that! Get over there, boy!
Y'all, is that high?
Y'all, look at how pretty those are. Aren't they pretty? And then all we're gonna do, y'all, is we're just gonna stick these on here. Is that right, Paula?
That's exactly
Okay,
right,
good.
darling.
And you just put them on there.
Just put them
All
on
hot and greasy. We don't get rid of the grease.
there. We ain't worrying about
No.
our children eating that grease,
No,
you know?
no, they need a little
That-
bit.
You know, she has played a lot of characters on Saturday Night Live, y'all.
But this is the best.
Look at you screwing up my burgers,
I
girl.
don't mean to screw up your burgers. And all you're gonna do is we're gonna add cheese.
Well, that just sounds good.
All
you know.
right. And we're just gonna grate that on there.
Okay. Okay,
Oh.
Paula.
Just like so. And you just put that on there, just like that.
Gosh, that Paula's a messy cook.
Isn't that pretty, y'all?
That is so pretty.
There we go. Yeah! Get on there, boy!
Yeah.
So you're just gonna keep that
Okay.
cheese coming just like that. And you wanna get it real cheesy, y'all, because kids love cheese.
They love
They
cheese.
love butter and
Listen.
cheese. They do.
Listen, y'all.
And we're gonna roll them up
Yes, we are. We're gonna seal
and then
them up.
press it
And y'all.
down in here.
What a talented girl. She's a mama. She's a writer. She's an actress. My gosh, what all are you?
I do it all. I do it all. But my favorite thing is to be Paula Deen, y'all. We're gonna throw these in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees.
There
and
you
then they'll
go.
be ready.
Well, first you got to brush them with the egg so they'll get pretty and shiny.
So-
You're getting so excited now you're forgetting one of your good steps.
All right, let's put these in the oven.
Oh, okay, dear.
There we go.
I'm spooked.
How are those burgers, darling?
That's delicious. That is so good.
I think we've hit on some winners for you, honey.
Absolutely.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.